we are not calculating number of factors. If you take here, let's take the example of 30. Look at the factors 1, 3, 5, 10, 15. These are the factors. If I come to know 30 is divisible by 2, if I come to know 30 is divisible by 2, then it's not a prime number. I don't need to check for 5, I don't need to check for 15, I don't need to check for the 10 and all. That's why I am saying break. Break means stop the loop. This is how you can write a better programming. Even though you are not writing break, it is correct only. But why do you need to check if you find one factor? If you find minimum one factor, it is not a prime number. You don't need to look for the other factors. So that's why I am saying break. So while coming out loop, then what is my f? F is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1, true. True means it's not a prime number. True means it's not a prime number. And remember this. Let's say if anyone is asking 7, 5, 4, 2, 8, 1, these and all, is a prime number or not? Can you tell me is this prime number or not? Can you tell me this given number is prime number or not? This is how you need to think the programming. Supreet, Varsha, Shiva, is it prime number or not? See, in the interview, if someone is asking, they have given a big number and they are asking you to find prime number. How do you find it? This is a short time. So you need to act smart. The smart way is what? If you look at here, last digit is what? Even number. If last digit is even number, then it's not a prime number. That's it. If last digit is even number, then it's not a prime number. That is the conclusion you need to give. And another conclusion is, except 2, rest all prime numbers are odd numbers. If you look at here, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 11, 7, 17, all these things. So here, except 2, rest all prime numbers are odd numbers. Only 2 is the even prime number. That's it. Now, okay. So that's about this one. Okay. So now I would like to calculate how much time this loop is taking. This is very much important to test the performance. So once I share the program, what you can do is that give this is a big number. Let's say you can give 1, 2, 3 something, and write up to number. Don't write break. Then you see the performance. Then write the break. Then you see the performance. Then write a number by 2. Then you see the performance. So how do I calculate performance of my program? I have written a program. How do I calculate the performance of my program? So that's what I am explaining now. How do I calculate performance of my program? So this is what I am explaining now. Look at here. So if you look at here, I have taken an integer number 5001. Now I would like to check whether it is a prime number or not. Now I would like to check whether this is a prime number or not. Can you go for mute, please? Okay, thank you. So now I would like to check whether it is a prime number or not, and I would like to see the performance. See, this is the prime number logic just now I explained. This is the prime number logic just now I explained. Now I am not writing number by 2. Now I am not writing break. Let's see how much time it is taking. Then I will write number by 2. Then we will see how much time it will take. I will write break. Then we will see how much time it will take. So therefore, if you want to calculate the performance of your program, what you do is that get the time before you start the loop. How do you get the time before you start the loop? System.current time millis. These are all very much important in the real time. because we always focus on the performance. If anyone asks, can you tell me what is the performance of your program? Or can you tell me, can you prove whether your program is good performance, whether your program is giving good performance or not? Then what you do? Before you start the loop, get the time. How do I get the time? System dot current time release. It will give the time. After completing the loop, get the time again. After completing the loop, get the time again. System dot current time release. Then difference of these two is nothing but total time. Total time taken for executing this program. So let me execute this program and show you the difference. Okay, let me execute the program and show you the difference. You can practice all these things so that you will be getting good programming, because it's basically programming language. Apex is the programming language. Click on save. Click on save. Now run test. So test is run successfully. Now go here and see the debug class how much time it took. So time taken. Let me open this one. This is not. Maybe let me clean up the last ones. So if you don't find something, just clean up the last so that it will be easy for you. Instead of the waste of. The problem is your ID is not there. Please remember this. It's a cloud environment. If you simply go and log everything, then it is very difficult to maintain. That's why after some time they will delete it. So it's deleted, that's why our results are not recorded. So let me add my ID again. These are some of the performance improvement mechanisms which Salesforce follows. Apex class. Go to your class. Click on save. So if you look at here, run all tests. So it is run all the tests. So out of that, our program is also run successfully. Now let me go and see the logs. So hours is time taken. It's not available here. That's why generally don't run all the programs. Run all the programs, everything will come here. This is not available here. See, if you look at it here, so it is calculating our prime number program. See how many times system.math function is executed. So many times it is executed. It is saying maximum logs are executed. So I don't think so we got the results because it's saying maximum logs exceeded. So they just given few amount of size. Once it is exceeded, definitely you will not see. One second, let me see. debug log. So I'll try here, otherwise I'll go and run my program only. Yeah. So our program did not run successfully because it's saying logs are exceeded. So we don't have a place to put the logs because I have taken huge one. So I go and delete everything. Now come to here, develop Apex classes. This is what our program is. Okay, click on save. Click on run test. So run test is successful. Now let's go and see debug logs. Okay, now let's go and see whether we have the results or not. So time taken. Yeah, again if we go and see, we got an error called the logs exceeded. So maybe we cannot capture those many logs because every time we log in. We have taken a huge number, that's the problem. See, if you look at here, maximum debug log size is reaching. So maybe we can have 10,000 something so that you can see the difference. Develop Apex classes, edit. Let me give 5,000 something. I'll be removing 1 and 0. Then click on save. Go here. So run test. So test is run successfully. Now go to the logs. At least now we will be good. Yeah. If you look at here, so time taken is equal to 155 milliseconds. 155 milliseconds. Look at this. So if I write the logic like this, time taken is equal to 155 milliseconds. As I told you already, if I find one prime number, I need to check for other one. So let me write by 2, then you can see the difference. Right now it is 155 milliseconds. Let me write by 2. Develop Apex classes. Click on edit. I'm just writing by 2, number by 2, and also let me write break. Click on save. Go to the program and run the test. So test is run successfully. Now go ahead and see the results. Definitely it will be less. If you look at here, it's hardly taken what? See, results already given, not time number. It's hardly take 0 milliseconds. That's true only. Because see how many times this math function is executed? 4 times only. 4 times for computer it is very less. and the fifth time it found this number 5001 we have given, right? 5001 is divisible, so it's coming out, that's it, because I enable the break also. I enable the breakers also. See the advantage. That's how we can calculate the difference. So now total time is almost 0 seconds, 0 milliseconds. Previously, this is executed so many times. That's why it has taken so much of time. Now it is executed how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times only. And you got the result is not prime number, and it almost takes 0 milliseconds. For computer, 0 milliseconds is reasonable, because executing math function 4 times is not as right. So execute it take like that only. So if you want to see the difference, you don't enable the break, then you can see the difference. Don't have the break, then you see some other results. Edit. These are all you can practice instead of I spend the time. So click on save. I just put number by 2 now. I did not put break. Now go here and run the test. Okay, now go to the logs, viewer logs. Okay, view the result now. Taken. See, it has taken 61 seconds. So it's almost half of this. If you look at here, 155. Now it is how much? 61 milliseconds. Because of the reason is, even if you look at here, see, math function is executed so many times. Math module function is executed so many times. And there is no break. I did not write this break. So that's all about today. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Else we'll see rest of the stuff in the next class. I would like to spend some more time on this writing this kind of program, so that you will be strong in writing these stuffs. We'll see some more steps on writing constructors, all these things, because there is a constructors, methods, method overloading, all these things are there. It's basically a programming language. You need to learn the programming languages now. If you have any questions, you can ask me, else we'll stop here. Any questions, Sudhir, Varsha, Shiva?
No, thank you.
Any questions, Varsha? Okay, thanks, bye. I'll send this tutorial for you guys. Thank you, bye.